Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today, we explore the latest in AI advancements and market challenges, from ChatGPT's new memory feature to the financial hurdles facing AI startups. We'll also dive into innovative technologies reshaping industries, including AR content creation and neurodegenerative disease diagnosis. OpenAI has recently enhanced ChatGPT with a revolutionary memory feature, a leap forward in AI communication. This functionality allows ChatGPT to retain information from conversations, personalizing interactions more effectively. Users can now expect responses tailored to their preferences and past discussions, as demonstrated by YouTuber MattVidPro AI. ChatGPT's memory can be managed through a dedicated tab, offering users the ability to edit or delete stored information, addressing privacy concerns. The feature supports both GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 models and includes a temporary chat mode for privacy. This development not only elevates user experience by making AI interactions more relevant and personalized, but also introduces a new layer of privacy control, allowing users to decide what the AI remembers. As AI continues to evolve, such features highlight the importance of balancing advanced functionality with ethical considerations and user privacy. University of Pisa researchers have utilized AI to decipher a papyrus scroll from Herculaneum, destroyed alongside Pompeii in AD 79 by Mount Vesuvius. This scroll, part of 1800 at the Villa of the Papyri, was read using infrared hyperspectral imaging and optical coherence tomography, circumventing damage from physical handling. The AI identified 1,000 words, revealing new details about Greek philosopher Plato, including his final resting place and a corrected timeline of his enslavement. This breakthrough is part of the Vesuvius Challenge, aiming to decode the Herculaneum Scrolls, the last intact library from antiquity. The project combines computed tomography scans and machine learning for non-intrusive deciphering. Researchers face challenges in scaling this technology for full scrolls and enhancing model accuracy. A significant goal for 2024 includes transcribing 90% of specific scrolls, offering a $100,000 prize for success. GitHub announced Copilot Workspace, a development environment powered by Copilot-powered agents, aiming to assist developers from brainstorming to running code in natural language. This evolution of GitHub's AI assistant Copilot, as explained by Jonathan Carter of GitHub Next, is designed to reduce friction in starting development tasks by aiding in approach strategies, file editing, and solution evaluation. Copilot Workspace, which leverages OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo model, can generate plans and suggest code for bug fixes or new features, streamlining the development process. Despite facing a financial loss per user and increasing competition, GitHub sees Workspace as a valuable tool for developers, promising a more intuitive and efficient development experience. However, concerns about the security and efficiency of AI-generated code persist. Copilot Workspace enters technical preview without GitHub's IP indemnification policy coverage, aiming to refine its utility and application based on developer feedback. Today marks the release of the Cohere Toolkit, an open-source resource designed to expedite the development of generative AI applications. This toolkit offers production-ready applications deployable across various cloud providers, including AWS, Azure, and the Cohere platform. It allows for deployment in secure environments and connection to custom data sources. Initially, it features a knowledge assistant application, leveraging Cohere's models for conversational abilities, citation integration, and customization through over 100 pre-built connectors. Addressing the lengthy process of AI application development, the Cohere Toolkit provides developers with essential components such as user interfaces, models, and retrieval systems to significantly reduce setup time. It includes plug-and-play components for effective retrieval and conversation systems, support for major enterprise data connectors, and integration capabilities with popular libraries. Ready for deployment on major platforms, the Toolkit invites contributions from developers to enhance its offerings and encourage community-driven development. The AI industry faces a financial reckoning as several notable startups struggle amidst the high costs of innovation. Inflection AI, after raising $1.5 billion, folded its original business with little revenue. Stability AI saw layoffs and a CEO departure, while Anthropic is trying to bridge a $1.8 billion gap between sales and expenses. This crunch highlights the enormous investment required for generative AI, with companies like Google and Microsoft setting a high bar. The sector, despite attracting $330 billion over 3 years for around 26,000 startups, grapples with the sustainability of their business models. The expense of creating and maintaining generative AI systems, reliant on costly and scarce cutting-edge chips, exceeds past tech innovations by billions, challenging startups to prove their business viability amidst fierce competition and limited resources. For now, let's focus on NIST's GenAI program that launches NIST GenAI to assess generative AI technologies, including text and image-generating AI. This program aims to establish benchmarks, develop systems for detecting AI-generated fake content, and identify the sources of misleading information. NIST GenAI's inaugural project focuses on distinguishing between human-created and AI-generated media, particularly text. It invites academic, industry, and research lab teams to participate with their AI systems. The pilot study requires generators to produce summaries of 250 words or less from provided documents, while discriminators must identify if summaries are AI-written. Registration opens May 1st, with final results expected in February 2025. This initiative responds to the rising concern over AI-generated misinformation, highlighted by a 900% increase in deepfakes and 85% of Americans worried about their spread online. NIST GenAI also aligns with President Joe Biden's executive order for AI transparency and standards, following the controversial appointment of Paul Christiano to NIST's AI Safety Institute. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Trace, a groundbreaking startup, has recently emerged in the augmented reality (AR) scene. This platform, propelled by leading investors like Rev1 Ventures and Impellent Ventures, aims to democratize AR content creation, making it accessible and manageable for businesses of all sizes. Trace stands out by offering location-based AR tools that work on both smartphones and advanced devices, such as AR glasses or Apple Inc.'s Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Founded in 2021 by former Magic Leap talents Greg Tran, Martin Smith, and Sean Couture, Trace leverages their extensive experience to address a significant gap in the current AR market. They've designed a platform that simplifies the creation of AR content, making what used to take months achievable in moments. This approach is likened to what Canva did for graphic design and Squarespace for website creation. Trace's platform is especially valuable as it embraces spatial computing, allowing for the integration of 3D virtual objects into real-world settings. This technology enables holographic objects to interact in real time with the physical environment, enhancing user engagement and immersion. The startup's team, with its rich background from esteemed institutions and companies, underscores their commitment to making AR content seamlessly blend with its physical surroundings. Despite being in beta mode, Trace has already garnered attention from heavyweight early customers like T-Mobile US Inc., Qualcomm Inc., Lenovo Group Limited, and Microsoft Corp. These collaborations span various applications from employee training to retail product showcases. NeuroClues, a French-Belgian medtech startup, is reshaping the diagnosis of neurodegenerative conditions with its groundbreaking eye-tracking technology. With a keen focus on Parkinson's disease, NeuroClues is transforming the traditional follow-my-finger test into a sophisticated AI-driven analysis, employing proprietary, portable headsets that capture eye movements at an astonishing 800 frames per second. This enables clinicians to run an analysis in mere seconds, promising a future where detecting brain health issues could be as routine as a visit to the optician. NeuroClues technology is not just about speed, it's about precision and accessibility. Their headsets, designed for use in regular clinician offices, eliminate the need for specialized environments or equipment. This means that eye tracking, a method proven in research but previously hindered by technological and cost barriers, could soon become a standard tool in clinical practice. The device works by guiding patients to follow dots on a screen, with their eye movements providing critical data for disease biomarkers, which are then compared against healthy population standards. Highlighting its uniqueness, NeuroClues boasts several patents for its innovative approach to synchronizing hardware and software and analyzing data. The startup stands out for recording at high speeds on a portable device, a feat previously unachieved in both clinical and non-clinical settings. This capability is crucial for accurately capturing the rapid eye movements associated with neurological health. French startup Carbonfact is carving out a niche in the bustling carbon accounting sector by tailoring its services exclusively to the fashion industry. This specialization allows Carbonfact to offer more precise and relevant carbon management solutions than its competitors. Carbonfact is poised to expand its unique approach to helping fashion brands navigate the complex terrain of carbon accounting, especially as regulatory changes in Europe and the US demand more sophisticated strategies. Carbonfact's platform stands out by integrating directly with a brand's existing systems, such as enterprise resource planning and product lifecycle management software, to gather and analyze product-level data. This enables the calculation of carbon footprints for individual items, taking into account the entire life cycle of a product. The platform also aids brands in tracking indirect emissions from third-party suppliers and offers insights into reducing environmental impacts through material and process changes. Moreover, Carbonfact goes beyond CO2 metrics to include water consumption, French eco-labels, and other environmental indicators, providing a comprehensive view of a product's environmental footprint. Already serving over 150 brands, including New Balance and Allbirds, Carbonfact demonstrates the viability of its model with significant annual recurring revenue. Chowdeck, a Lagos-based startup, is carving a significant niche in Nigeria's burgeoning food delivery market. Despite stiff competition and the exit of heavyweights like Jumia and Bolt, Chowdeck, backed by notable investors including Y Combinator, is making an impressive mark. Founded by Femi Aluko, Olumide Ojo, and Lanre Yusuf, Chowdeck distinguishes itself by promising food delivery within an average of 30 minutes, a stark contrast to the usual 1 or 2 hours in Nigeria. This commitment to speed and customer service, inspired by Aluko's experiences in Dubai, addresses a significant market need in a country where households spend nearly 60% of their income on food. Chowdeck's strategy focuses on maintaining positive unit economics, avoiding unsustainable discounts, and targeting the right customers. This approach has allowed it to grow significantly, boasting over 500,000 users, more than 3,000 riders, and achieving a 1,200% revenue increase between 2022 and 2023. Unlike its predecessors, Chowdeck leverages technology for efficiency, employing geotagging and automated processes for optimal delivery logistics. It also extends its services beyond food delivery to supermarkets and pharmacies, operating in 8 cities and targeting expansion across Nigeria. Unique in its model, Chowdeck prioritizes convenience over cost, appealing to customers willing to pay for quick deliveries. Its logistics model benefits not only food vendors and restaurants, but also supermarkets and pharmacies, reflecting a versatile and scalable approach. Join us as we discuss the financial struggles facing AI startups. In the spotlight are companies like Inflection AI, Stability AI, and Anthropic, which have collectively raised billions of dollars on the dream of advancing generative AI, the technology behind innovations such as ChatGPT. Despite their ambitious goals and hefty investments, these startups are facing the daunting challenge of bridging the vast gap between their soaring expenses and their modest revenues. The crux of the issue lies in the astronomical costs of developing and maintaining generative AI systems. Unlike previous tech advancements that could leverage existing technologies, generative AI requires cutting-edge chips that are not only expensive but also scarce. Moreover, the operation of these AI systems incurs significantly higher costs compared to traditional computing queries. This financial burden is intensified by the fierce competition from tech behemoths like Google, Microsoft, and Meta, raising questions about the business viability of these AI ventures. Despite the influx of $330 billion into around 26,000 AI and machine learning startups over the last 3 years, the path to profitability remains elusive for many. As the industry grapples with these challenges, the future of these ambitious startups hangs in the balance, underscoring the critical need for a sustainable business model in the fast-evolving landscape of AI. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.